Hey, anchor girl. Operate the anchor. Come on, you want to come on this boat so you can... We'll pretend. Act for the audience. Okay, anchor girl, as we enter the ending portion of our day here at the boat show, our backs are sore. We saw a lot. We talked to a few key people. Yeah. Another good show. Good. So that's it. That's the wrap up from 2014 Tibbs Strong Show for our time here. Anyways, this boat show runs for a full 2 weeks here in Tirana. But the boat will slide towards spring and relaunch. So that's a good thing. Okay.
You would have it.
Boat show, and anchor girl is reminding me again that I didn't listen to what she told me I should do, because I have a pole that the camera makes it really nice and stable and steady, but it's in the car. Guys?
What did I say to you before we were leaving?
I can't remember. Tell them.
You said, no, I don't need to do that. I'll just carry it. Where is it?
You said, she said. Not to work.
Oh, that's what you need, that video that way. There you go.
I can't get away from construction even at the boat